how to send an Amazon gift card to another country. So I'm going to explain how this works. You want to Google search for Amazon and then the country which your recipient is located in, and then gift card. So for example, I'm going to do this for Germany. Let's say that I want to purchase a gift card for somebody in Germany. Now here you will see the website and make sure that this is in fact the country which you will be sending to. So amazon.de, Deutschland, Germany, this is going to work. So I'm going to click on this link. And the website looks a little something like this. Now you want to choose the gift card which you will purchase for this person. I'm going to click on e-gift cards. And then you can select the one which you want to purchase. Like I said, I'm going to do an Amazon gift card. And it's going to look like this. You can choose the occasion. You can choose the amount here. So for example, 25 euros. You can do a custom amount as well. And delivery, how will they receive it? You can choose either email or text message. For example, let's do email. You will put the recipient's email right here. And then you can also choose a gift message. Hope you enjoyed this gift card. Your name is going to be required. And when will this be delivered? You can choose the delivery date. For example, if you're purchasing a gift card for somebody's birthday, then you will just go and click on buy now, go through the process, and that is how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.